Which Buddhist monk converted Milinda, Indo-Greek king, to Buddhism? Correct answer. Aski Nagasena. The Indo-Greek king, Milinda or Menander Fa-hein, was converted to Buddhism by Nagasena or Nagarjuna, a Buddhist monk and philosopher. Before becoming a Buddhist, Menander asked Nagasena many questions relating to Buddhism. These questions and Nagasena's answers are recorded in a form of book known as Milinda Panho, or the Questions of Milinda, in which Buddhist Council, Buddhism was divided into Mahayana and Hinayana sects. Correct answer, Fourth Buddhist Council. Buddhism was divided into Mahayana and Hinayana in the Fourth Buddhist Council. In the Rigvedic Dasrajan Yudha, Battle of 10 Kings, the Bharatas emerged winner at the bank of Tripitakas. Correct answer, the Parashni River. According to Rigveda, the famous Battle of 10 Kings, or Dasrajan Yudha, was between Sudas, a Bharata king of the Tritsu family, and the confederacy of 10 well-known tribes: Puru, Yadu, Turvasa, Anu, Druhyu, Alina, Paktha, Balanas, Shiva, and Vishanin. In the bloody and decisive battle on the banks of River Parushni, the Bharatas emerged victorious. Metronymics were born by the later rulers of which among the following dynasties? Correct answer, Satavahana. Metronymics, a name derived from the name of a mother or female ancestor. The metronymics are born by the later Satavahanas and not by the early Satavahanas. It was mainly because Satavahanas had to establish matrimonial alliance with Maharathis. The metronymics of the Satavahanas was the result of such alliances. Which among the following is the correct location of an ancient site, Deh Morasi Ghundai? Correct answer, Afghanistan. Deh Morasi Ghundai, located in Kandahar province of Afghanistan, is the first prehistoric site to be excavated in Afghanistan. Under whose reign the Chinese traveler Fa-hein came to India? Correct answer, Chandragupta II. Fa-hein, the first Chinese Buddhist traveler and monk, came to India during the reign of Gupta Emperor Chandragupta II and wrote the book Siyuki that gives the detailed account of the political and social condition of that time. Sudarshan Lake repaired second time under the reign of Guek. Correct answer, Skandgupta. The Junagadh inscription gives the information about the Sudarshan Lake that the lake was an artificial reservoir, was built by the Mauryan emperors for checking floods. Around 150 AD, the lake was repaired by the Shaka ruler Rudradaman Phui, and it was again repaired under the Skandgupta's reign 415 AD, 455 AD by his governor Parnadatta. Which of the following Indus Valley sites is not a present in India? Correct answer, Chanhudaro. Chanhudaro is an archaeological site belonging to the post-urban Juka phase of Indus Valley civilization. The site is located 130 kilometers, 81 miles south of Mohenjo-Daro in Sindh, Pakistan. Acharanga Sutra is associated with which of the following religions? Correct answer, Jainism. Acharanga is the first of the 12 Angas, part of the Agamas, religious texts, which were compiled based on the teachings of Mahavira. Which of the following rivers was known as Drishdvati in Vedic Era? Correct answer, Gaga. In the Vedic period, Beas was referred to as correct answer, Vipasa. The earliest Aryans lived in the land of the Sapta Sindhu. It was a region drained by the 7 rivers, which are the Indus and its 5 tributaries, namely the Jhelum, Beas, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej, and the Saraswati. Beas was referred to as Vipasa in the Vedic period. What are the tripitakas? Correct answer, collection of the preachings of Buddha. The Tipitaka, or the Tripitaka, means the 3 baskets collections is one of the earliest compilations of Buddhist teachings. They are originally written on long and narrow leaves. They are the most important holy books of Buddhism. Arrange the following realms in ascending order as per Buddhism. Buddha, 2, Pratyeka Buddha, 3, Bodhisattva, 4, human beings. Select the correct option from the codes given below. Correct answer, 1, 3, 2, 4. The correct order of the existence of 10 realms are Buddha, Bodhisattva, Pratyeka Buddha, Sravaka, heavenly beings, human beings, Asura, beasts, Preta, depraved men. Buddha is at the top and depraved men is at the bottom of the order.